This is Hassan Mahmood. So today I'm going to motivate you by some points. Be yourself, believe in yourself. Why you think that you can't do this? Why you think that someone will come and make you step forward? Why you think that someone will come and help you? You are the best one. You can do this. You can achieve this. And nobody will come. Nobody has nothing to do with you. Your success. So I can relate with this quote. Success hugs you privately, but failure slaps you in the public. That's life. Qasim Ali Shah, when first time I watched their video, and Qasim Ali Shah said that whatever the human mind can think clearly, it can be achieved. So don't rely upon the luck. Your as a gentleman said that hard work only pays off, not the luck. As we just said that luck is luck. Our outcome is also comes from luck, not. It comes from your hard work. At last, I will say that be yourself. You can do things that no one can ever dream of.
Okay, thank you.